Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series. We're talking about massive performance upgrades, cutting-edge technology, and what could be a groundbreaking chipset that could take this phone to the next level. But, as always, with every breakthrough comes a price to pay. Let's dive into all the juicy details. First up, let's talk about the heart of the Galaxy S25 series, the chipset. Samsung is rumored to be incorporating a highly anticipated Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset into the entire S25 lineup. This chipset isn't just another upgrade, it's a powerhouse designed to deliver laptop-like performance, making it a real competitor in the smartphone market. What's even more exciting is the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. According to a leak from Digital Chat Station, this next-gen chipset could be up to 20% more powerful than its predecessor, while also offering improved energy efficiency. That means faster performance, smoother multitasking, and all of this without draining your battery too quickly. Sounds amazing, right? While we don't know for sure which devices will get the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 yet, it's almost a certainty that the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and possibly the entire Galaxy S26 series will feature this chipset. And don't be surprised if other flagship Android phones set to launch in 2026 follow suit. However, with all this power comes a potential downside. Leaker Jin Elry suggests that Qualcomm might raise the price of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, just like they did with the original Snapdragon 8 Elite this year. If that's true, we could be looking at 2 consecutive years of higher smartphone prices. We've already seen how the first-gen Snapdragon 8 Elite pushed up manufacturing costs, which would directly affect the retail prices of flagship devices. For the Galaxy S25, that could mean a higher price tag than what we're used to. And if this trend continues with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, the Galaxy S26 and other upcoming premium devices could be even more expensive. While this may be disappointing for some, the trade-off could be well worth it if you're someone who loves cutting-edge tech and top-tier performance. Now, just when we thought the price increase was a done deal, a new leak has thrown a wrench into that theory. Less than 2 months before launch, a European website, TechManiacs, claims to have gotten some inside information about the Galaxy S25 series. According to them, Samsung is bringing back its popular storage doubling pre-order deal. That means if you pre-order a base model with 256 gigabytes of storage, you'll get 512 gigabytes version at no extra cost. And get this, despite all the rumors suggesting a price hike, TechManiacs insists that the Galaxy S25 lineup will be priced the same as the Galaxy S24 series, even with increased production costs. If this turns out to be true, it could be a game changer for buyers. Instead of paying more for the new S25, you could get a better deal than expected, especially with that double storage offer. If you've been eyeing the Galaxy S25 series, this might just be the incentive you need to make the leap. Now let's get into the specs. Thanks to some leaks, we got a pretty good idea of what to expect from the Galaxy S25 series. As mentioned earlier, all models will feature the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring lightning-fast performance across the board. The base model will come with 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is a significant upgrade from the 8 gigabytes found in the previous Galaxy S24. So whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming, you'll have plenty of power at your disposal. But for now, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited for the Galaxy S25, or are you holding out for something else? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on the Galaxy S25 and other tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2025. With its expected release just a few months away, this device promises to refine Samsung's already stellar reputation in the world of premium Android smartphones. In today's video, we'll dive deep into everything we know so far about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, from its release date expectations and price estimates to design changes, hardware upgrades, and much more. So stick around as we explore why this device could be a game changer in the smartphone world. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely in January or February. The company has a consistent track record of launching its flagship series at the beginning of the year, and this trend seems to continue. Rumors suggest that the Unpacked event for the Galaxy S25 series could occur on January 22, 2025, which aligns with Samsung's past patterns. This date makes sense as it allows the brand to capitalize on post-holiday enthusiasm while steering clear of the CES 2025 event, which runs from January 7 to 11. If this timeline holds, the device could hit store shelves by the first week of February. However, there's another twist in the story. A rumored new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim, might join the lineup. This ultra-thin model could either launch alongside the S25 Ultra or arrive later in April or May. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is another hot topic. The Galaxy S24 Ultra saw a price hike earlier this year, but will Samsung dare to increase prices again? Reports suggest the 256GB base model of the Galaxy S25 Ultra could start at $1,299 with a 512GB and 1TB options priced at $1,419 and $1,659 respectively. These are the same prices as the current S24 Ultra lineup, but there's a catch. If Samsung faces challenges with its 3 in production yields, this could drive up costs, potentially affecting the final price. Fortunately, Samsung typically offers multiple ways to save. Expect trade-in deals and carrier discounts to make upgrading more affordable. For instance, current offers like Verizon's $800 discount with specific plans or Samsung's trade-in credits up to $750 could extend to the S25 Ultra. So if you're planning to upgrade, keep an eye out for these deals. Now let's talk about design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to maintain its premium titanium frame, first introduced with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, there's a significant tweak: rounded edges. This design shift is expected to give the S25 Ultra a sleeker, more ergonomic feel, reminiscent of the iconic Galaxy Note series. Leaked renders also hint at a rounded back with a straighter front, creating a subtle asymmetry for a fresh look. The dimensions are expected to measure 162.82 x 77.65 x 8.25 millimeters, making it slightly thinner and narrower, but a touch taller than its predecessor. Additionally, the phone will feature Corning's glare-free glass, further enhancing its durability and aesthetics. When it comes to color options, leaks point to 4 stunning shades: titanium black, titanium blue, titanium gray, titanium silver. Each color exudes elegance and continues Samsung's tradition of offering premium finishes. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to retain its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, which has become a hallmark of Samsung's flagship series. This display will likely support a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth visuals whether you're gaming or scrolling. One area where we hope to see an improvement is maximum brightness. Samsung could enhance outdoor visibility by boosting the peak brightness beyond the current standards. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who frequently use their phones in bright environments. Cameras are always a highlight of Samsung's Ultra models, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is no exception. According to trusted leaks, the device will feature a quad-camera setup with the following specifications: 200-megapixel primary sensor, Samsung ISOCELL HP2, 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, 5x optical zoom, 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, Samsung ISOCELL JN3. While the primary telephoto and periscope lenses appear unchanged from the S24 Ultra, the new 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor promises significant improvements. The addition of this sensor is expected to enhance wide-angle photography and low-light performance. Eye-driven enhancements will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been investing heavily in artificial intelligence for its camera systems, and we anticipate further improvements in image stabilization, portrait modes, and night photography. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, promising lightning-fast performance. This chip will likely be paired with 12GB of RAM in the base model, with a 16GB RAM variant also rumored. In terms of storage, the S25 Ultra might debut Samsung's latest UFS 4.0 4-lane storage technology, offering nearly 8GB/sec speeds, doubling the performance of current UFS 4.0 standards. This upgrade will significantly enhance app loading times, multitasking, and overall efficiency. Battery performance is another crucial factor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery similar to its predecessor. While a larger battery isn't likely due to space constraints, Samsung could improve battery optimization for longer usage. Charging speeds, however, remain a question mark. While the device is rumored to stick with 45-watt wired charging, we're hopeful for faster charging technology to compete with other brands offering 100-watt or higher speeds. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely launch with One UI 7.1 based on Android 15. This iteration of One UI is expected to bring new customization options, improved multitasking features, and tighter Galaxy AI integration. Samsung's focus on privacy and security will also take center stage, ensuring users have greater control over their data. Expect enhancements like better app permissions, on-device AI processing, and secure file sharing. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an impressive device, combining top-tier hardware, refined design, and cutting-edge software. If you're currently using an older model like the Galaxy S22 or S23, the S25 Ultra could be a worthy upgrade. However, if you already own the S24 Ultra, the differences may not be groundbreaking enough to warrant a switch unless you're drawn to specific features like the new ultra-wide camera or the sleek, rounded design. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra represents the pinnacle of what Samsung aims to achieve in smartphone innovation. With its refined design, improved camera systems, and powerful hardware, this device is set to compete with the best in the industry. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.